Today, we are taking a look at the Porsche 930 Turbo Circuit No Ikemi kit from Fujimi. I don't think I pronounced that correctly. This kit was released in 2015. It is a Fujimi Enthusiast kit, 124 scale full engine detail kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. Initially, this kit was released in 1985 as the stock 1976 930 Turbo kit. The tooling got started in 85 as the 911 Turbo kit as part of Fujimi's Enthusiast series. All right, let's check it out. And getting started now with the body. And now I'm taking a look at a body parts tree, which is going to be parts tree B actually. Get it B for body parts. So here we have the front rear bumpers. And looks like lower rocker panel pieces maybe. And then the rear hood piece. Getting started now with the frame chassis parts tree. And now taking a look at the engine parts tree, and we're going to start with parts tree C. So this is going to be one of two parts trees which have engine parts. This will be the main one, which also has suspension parts, chassis parts, a little bit of everything parts. Start up here in this corner. Here's some shocks, rear axle piece, half axle, tie rod. Engine pieces. And now moving over to parts tree D before the battery runs out. Has some more engine pieces, suspension pieces, a bunch of other pieces. So you have some brakes up here. Looks like the brakes are going to be multi-piece with hubs, with separate hubs. Kind of cool. And I can't remember what this is for. Another. I have to go look. I don't remember what that's for. So we'll move on. And now taking a look at parts tree J, which has a little bit of everything parts on it. Start up here. You have a gear shift lever. Looks like a column, steering column, a battery, grill pieces. A wiper, maybe, rear wiper. You have the interior door panels. And moving on to the next parts tree, which is parts tree. I have no idea parts tree F, there we go, which has a little bit of everything. It has some more interior pieces, some wheel pieces, multiple choice steering wheels. And now parts tree E, which has the seats. There's the front seats. And I believe those are the bumper ends. And last but not least, this piece here on its own little parts tree island. And I'm taking a look at the clear parts tree. So over here, this is going to be a stand that came with the enthusiast kits. That you put like a decal on that and like a plaque type thing. You have some headlights, taillights, turn signal lenses, just lenses. Front rear window piece is a 2-piece unit. Then you have the rear tail lights, the rear tail light panel, and the headlight buckets. Headlight lenses. I'll get it right one of these days. No, I won't. And now we're going to take a look at the roundy rounds, which are wide out back, skinnier up front. And taking a look at the wheels, parts tree, which would be parts tree W1. So these are going to be in a satinish chrome finish. And the decal sheet. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Fujimi Porsche 930 Turbo Circuit no Okimi kit from Fujimi. Yeah, easier for you to say. Do apologize if I butchered that pronunciation. And yes, if you want to get yourself some Porsche color matched paint, I would have a feeling James at Scalefinishes can get that done for you, because I have gotten some Porsche color matched paint from him in the past. At least 2 colors. Yes. If that's how you want to. Well, with this one. So on that note, thanks for watching.